In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or set a password for your CoinMarketCap account using their app. Whether you already have a password that you'd like to change, or you're creating a password for the first time, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly. So, let's get started. First things first, grab your phone and open the CoinMarketCap app. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen, where you'll see the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines known as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap this icon to reveal the menu options within. After tapping the menu icon, scroll down through the list of options until you find the settings. Once you've located settings, tap on it to proceed. Now, within the settings, you'll spot an option labeled Account Security. This is where we'll head next, so tap on Account Security to continue. Now, we're focusing on the password section. At this point, you'll see one of 2 options depending on your current account setup. If you've already set a password, the option will say Change Password. However, if you haven't yet set one, you'll see an option called Set Password, along with a prompt emphasizing the importance of using a unique password for better protection. It's crucial to set a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. With that in mind, let's proceed by tapping on Set Password. On the next page, you'll find a message indicating that you will receive instructions via email on how to reset or set up your password. So, if this is your first time setting a password, it's a good reminder to follow through by creating a strong new password. Now, you need to enter your CoinMarketCap account email address in the designated field. Once you've done that, tap on the button labeled either Submit or Send Instructions, depending on what you see on the screen. This will trigger an email to be sent to your inbox. Now, head over to your email inbox and keep an eye out for the CoinMarketCap Reset Password email. It should arrive shortly. When you receive it, click on the link provided within the email. This link will direct you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Here, you'll need to enter your new password twice, once in each of the fields provided, to confirm its accuracy and ensure that there are no typos. Finally, tap on Save to secure your changes, and there you have it, a simple and effective way to set or update your CoinMarketCap account password. Always remember to keep your password safe and unique. Thanks for watching, and if this guide was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.